welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a jewelry haul with Ciunofor Jewelry, so make sure you guys check them out. I will leave the link in the description box down below. So as we get into this haul, I wanted to just share with you guys, this brand is nickel free and color fading free. It's affordable luxury jewelry, and if you're someone who loves, you know, layered chains or just minimal jewelry pieces, you're going to love this brand. I'm already wearing one of their statement pieces right now. I'm super excited about this because in 2021 I wanted to really expand my fashion sense and start getting into jewelry pieces. You know, jewelry pieces can really spice up an outfit. So without further ado, let's jump right into this haul. Before we jump into the first jewelry piece, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful mini jewelry case. I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side up close of this, but it's beautiful. It matches my aesthetic because it has little gold flakes in it, and it's in this beautiful shiny white case, and then it's just so tiny and travel size convenient. So I love this because it has many compartments to it. I already have some jewelry pieces laying in it, but the coolest thing about it is I love that one side has a part for your rings to sit on. It has a flap up here that you can hold your earrings, probably like a good 10 pair. And then when you flap that down, it has more compartments for your rings, your necklaces, and you know, anything else you want to put inside this little pocket right here. So I love that. Again, it's travel size. This is something that you can fit in your little tote bag, your backpack if you wanted to, and your suitcase. So each jewelry piece came in this beautiful white box that was packaged in these cute little felt zip tied packages. So the first item I'm going to show you guys, let's see what's in it, is this beautiful chained bracelet. Now I love this because all of them are pretty much gold, right? And then there's one that has diamonds on it. So they're not real diamonds, but I mean, you know, one that sparkles, and I love that. So again, another little cute piece to add to my collection. And if you're someone who has small wrists, you're gonna love it because on this website it does let you customize, you know, the size, especially for the rings, to your hand or finger size. The next item I'm actually already wearing, and it's this beautiful layered gold necklace. Now I'm a big fan of gold statement pieces. I just feel like gold jewelry looks the best on, you know, darker skin tones, and I love that it's already layered for you, so that's really cool. So if you're someone into, you know, wearing blazers, white blouses, or just, you know, nice little button down shirts, or even something that's a little fancy like my shirt right now, this is the perfect minimal piece to add some little razzle dazzle to your outfit. Next I have their threaded interlocked hooped earrings, and I love these because they're like the stud design. They're not the kind that, you know, are the dangling hanging earrings. I'm not really a fan of those because I just don't like how they look on my earlobe. I'm going to show you guys an up close of what I mean by that, but I love these. They're super cute statement earrings, very simple, but again, that beautiful gold hardware. Next I have these geometric pentagon hoop earrings. Now I love these. I actually ended up wearing these on Christmas Day. I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side picture. Again, these are one of those little open hook earrings that you just simply put on, and also a great statement piece. Moving on to my other box of jewelry pieces, let's see. Next is another one of my faves, and it's this beautiful blessed bracelet. I actually wore this on Christmas Day as well, and I'll show you guys a little side-by-side video. I actually layered it with another one of these bracelets, which I'll show you guys in a second. You just simply open it up. It has a little magnet compartment to it. You just close it and bam. And I love that it's also bedazzled. You know, I gotta have me a little bling, so I thought this was super cute but also very simple at the same time. Alright, so this is the bangle that I had paired with that blessed bracelet, and this is their pave hinged bangle, and it has a little button that you just open like this, then you just snap it and close it together. This also has some bling bling in the front, so also had to go with that. And then next I have some silver hooped earrings that are also that studded design to also, you know, add a little bit more statement pieces. Now these are slightly heavy compared to the gold hinged ones, but I really do like these. I wanted to add some silver in there because I did get a lot of gold pieces. Alright, so I'm going to go back into my travel jewelry case, and I have some more pieces in here. So if you guys know, I attend Florida A&M University, so orange and green are my school colors. So when I saw this beautiful leather bracelet, I thought this was gorgeous. I never seen like a cute little bedazzled leather bracelet like this, so I thought this was really interesting but also still minimal at the same time. with adding a little bling on the charm. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks on my wrist side by side. But again, they have other colors in this leather piece as well. I believe they had pink too, so it was kind of hard. You guys know I love pink as well, but I thought this would be super duper cute, and I can definitely see me wearing this on campus as well. And then I also have a beautiful, simple, gold-plated necklace that has the letter K on it. But the cool thing about this is it's dual font. So on one side, you have your standard Times New Roman font K, since my name is Kaela. And then on the other side, you have like a little cursive K. So I like that it added a little versatility to it. And again, it's small, it's simple, and it's cute and dainty. And then the last jewelry piece I have is this dual color chained necklace. Now again, it has the chains on it, but the coolest thing about it, it has this little lock pendant that's on it. One side is silver and one side is gold. So I thought that was really, really cool. Adds, you know, some more versatility to the necklace as well. It's also very simple and dainty, which I love. Alright, so that was every item in my Ciunofor Jewelry haul. I want to give a special thanks to Ciunofor Jewelry for sponsoring this video. I love my pieces. Definitely make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela to see how I style some of these pieces as well. Comment down in the comment section down below your favorite item in this haul. And again, everything that I mentioned and showed you guys in this video will be linked in the description box down below. And I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye!